Maya, with her pigtails bouncing and smile brighter than the midday sun, was known throughout Whispering Pines as the honesty hero. Unlike other kids, her yes meant yes, and her no meant no. Even when faced with So, when chaos erupted at her lemonade stand, you knew Maya would stand tall, even if it meant losing everything. It was a scorching summer day, and Maya's homemade lemonade, with its secret ingredient of Grandma's magic touch, was selling like hotcakes. Laughter filled the air as children clinked their glasses, savouring the refreshing coolness. Suddenly, a commotion arose. Tommy, known for his mischievous grin, accused Maya of shortchanging him. He claimed she poured less for him than others, his eyes narrowing suspiciously. Panic pricked at Maya's heart. Accusations were rare, and even rarer against the honesty hero. Tears welled up, threatening to spill, but Maya took a deep breath. Taking off her favourite ladybug headband, a symbol of her honesty, she held it out to Tommy. "Look," she declared, her voice trembling but firm, "I always fill this headband with lemonade before pouring. If there's any difference, it's not me." Whispers rippled through the crowd. Tommy, caught off guard, hesitated. But pride gnawed at him. He snatched the headband and poured, his face reddening as the contents barely reached the halfway mark. Shame crept into his eyes. The truth was clear. He'd misjudged, fueled by his own thirst and desire for more. The crowd, initially hesitant, erupted in cheers for Maya. Her unwavering honesty had exposed the truth. Tommy mumbled an apology, his head hung low. Maya, ever the hero, simply offered him a glass of lemonade, a silent gesture of understanding. The news of the lemonade standoff spread like wildfire. Maya's reputation as the honesty hero solidified, but more importantly, it sparked a conversation about trust and truthfulness. Children started challenging each other to be mini-Mayas, and the playground hummed with a newfound honesty. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows, Maya counted her earnings. It was less than usual, but the warmth in her heart far surpassed any lost profit. Her stand, adorned with a proudly displayed ladybug headband, wasn't just selling lemonade. It was selling a valuable lesson. Honesty, even in the face of doubt, always wins. And in Whispering Pines, thanks to Maya, the taste of honesty was as sweet as summer lemonade.